The Canucks looking to match a season high with their fourth straight win as they host the Avalanche Monday night. Much of the Canucks' recent success can be attributed to their goaltending. Ryan Miller and Jacob Markstrom have a combined 102 saves. It's Miller in net for this one as we go to Rogers Arena.
Canucks have not been able to do that very much this year.
Denver trailed in the last game, and here's a chance for Eriksson, stopped by Pickard.
Jumps on it, Calvin Pickard with a good blocker save, stayed square, stayed patient.
No score. Not a huge surprise with these two, as you mentioned their first period numbers. Henrik Sedin gloved that puck towards the goal, and Landeskog hit the post. It's not where Henrik meant to put it. And Landeskog almost opened the scoring. You're going to have to get over it.
He's got 2 years left. I mean, this Avalanche team is right up against the cap.
Here's Hutton in. Horvat shoots. He scores. 10th point in 10 games for Bo Horvat. The Canucks lead 1-0.
Gives Bo Horvat that long pass, and Calvin Pickard looked like he was going to Ben Hutton and didn't have time to come back across.
Gets it back. Zadorov one-timer, whistled wide of the goal. Puck comes to Granlund. Couldn't get anything on the clearing attempt. Rantanen shoots, scores! Great pressure from the Avs. Felt like just a matter of time. And Rantanen up under the bar on the power play ties the game at 1.
And Rantanen, what a shot. Over the shoulder of Miller, just under the bar. That's why he's on their power play. What a great shot.
Guys have been out there in the full 2 minutes. Penalty just about over. Henrik Sedin behind the net. Sutter centers. Baertschi shoots, scores! It's not a power play goal, but they'll take it. The Canucks lead 2-1.
And Pickard had time to come across on this one as Baertschi loaded up the wrist shot. Sven Baertschi off the post and in.
Lost the handle for a moment. Recovers to get the puck to Lucas Sbisa. Granlund checked by Barry, but onto the puck is Eriksson. In front. Sutter shoots. Scores. Bar down. 3-1. Did it go in?
Yes, it did.
It may be 2-1.
Yeah, that's right.
I don't think this is going to be a goal. So that puck did go bar down, but in front of the goal line.
We have no goal.
Wow.
Trying to pass it back. McKinnon intercepts back to Boschman. Long shot. Just wide puck up towards the front. Como was there. Canucks able to knock it to the side. Boschman again. Here's Barry. Wrist shot. Scores! The long shot from Barry. The disallowed goal for the Canucks, and the game is tied at 2.
Lots of traffic. There's McKinnon, Lucas Sbisa, and Ryan Miller just has no idea where it is.
We'll give it to Barry. Henrik Sedin. Minute to go on the power play. Baertschi sneaking in. Here's Daniel. Stop. Baertschi scores on the rebound. Sven Baertschi, his second of the game, and the Canucks lead 3-2.
And Baertschi jumped in, gets that rebound, and puts it away.
Weakly into the corner. Trentgen there. Comes ahead to Eriksson. Oh, gave it away. Here's a chance in front. And Miller diving to his right. Stop Gabe Landeskog.
What is he doing? He just gives it away to Jerome McGinley, the pass through, and the patience. He waited for the back pass to Landeskog, read it well, and Ryan Miller bails out Louis Eriksson that time.
Puck play to the side. Couple seconds left. Barry again. Blocked, and the Canucks are going to win. Canucks win a 4th in a row. They're within a point of a wild card spot now, and they're back to 500 for the first time since November the 2nd.
The Canucks match a season high with their fourth straight win, taking it 3-2. Sven Baertschi with 2 markers. He has 3 goals in his last 2 contests. Ryan Miller wins his 3rd straight start in net. Up next, the Canucks host the Coyotes Wednesday, and the Avs are in Calgary.